Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to tie a very simple decorative chest harness. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet, but it will very unlikely be a suspendable harness because I'm not tying with the intention of going into suspension after. To follow along, make sure that you have safety scissors and make sure that you are using ropes that are made for rope bondage. Today I'm going to use an 8-meter jute rope. We're going to pull the rope along our back, making sure that the rope is not twisting in the back. Then we're going to put our thumb and finger in the loop, pass all the rope through, and here we could lock this, or we can also do a counter tension. So I'm going to put this in the back because I don't want this in the front. I keep it in the middle of my back, and here you'll see that if I go on one side, it's getting loose. So actually I don't have a choice. I can only go to this side to keep the tension on the rope. Don't tie it too tight, especially that we're not going into suspension. So this is not about tying too tight. It's just, you can just make it snug so it doesn't move. Then we're going to go over our chest. And then here we're going to pass the rope under, passing all the rope through. And then reverse tension again. I'm trying to make this harness as simple as possible, so I'm not using any knots, I'm just using reverse tensions. Then I'm going to go over my shoulder. I'm going to pass the rope under the bottom wrap from bottom to up, going back the same side we're coming from. Then pulling all the rope through, making sure that this is in the center. Then we're going to go over the other shoulder, trying to make it symmetrical. Here we're going to try to make it as simple as possible. We are going to go under the strap here. If it's too difficult to tie in your back, you can actually do it on the side and then slide the rope to the back. And here I'm going to go on the other side. I'm gonna grab this shoulder strap. I'm gonna pull slightly, and then I'm gonna go to the other side directly. I might not have enough rope, but we will try. We'll try to make it work. I'm just putting the rope under the wraps here, so it kind of holds by itself. But then if I want to untie, I can pull on the rope here and it will untie very fast. This is the final harness. Very simple, no knots. And if you want to untie it, you can pull here and then you can easily untie. So you have less risk of getting stuck. If you're making knots in your back, it can be a bit tricky to untie. I hope you enjoyed this really small tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.